Have you ever wished there were magic words to instantly create a spark with someone you're attracted to? Imagine being able to say something that not only captures their attention, but also creates a deeper connection. It's a common desire, isn't it? We all want to feel that instant chemistry, that undeniable bond that makes our hearts race and our minds dream of endless possibilities. While there's no guaranteed love potion, no secret formula that works every time, there is something incredibly powerful that you can use. It's not about tricking someone or using manipulative tactics. Instead, it's about genuine connection and shared experiences. There's a powerful phrase that can dramatically improve your romantic interactions, you and me. These 3 simple words can change the dynamics of your conversations and interactions. They can make your partner feel special, valued, and understood. It's about creating a sense of unity and togetherness. These 3 simple words, when used correctly, can transform your approach to dating and relationships. They can turn a casual chat into a meaningful dialogue, a simple outing into a memorable experience. It's about making the other person feel like they are a part of something special, something unique. They signal a shift from casual conversation to a shared experience, subtly hinting at a connection that goes beyond the superficial. It's about moving from me to we, from individual experiences to shared moments. This shift can make all the difference in how your relationship develops. Subtly hinting at a connection that goes beyond the superficial, these words can create a sense of intimacy and closeness. It's about building a bridge between 2 hearts, creating a pathway for deeper understanding and affection. It's about making the other person feel seen and appreciated. It's about creating a world of possibility, just for the 2 of you. A world where you can explore each other's thoughts, dreams, and desires. A world where you can build a future together, one step at a time. It's about creating a safe space where both of you can be yourselves without any pretenses or masks. This isn't about cheesy pickup lines or manipulative tactics. It's about genuine connection, about finding common ground and building on it. It's about being honest and open, about sharing your true self with someone else. It's about creating a bond that is based on trust and mutual respect. It's about tapping into a fundamental human desire. The desire for connection, for shared experiences, for something special with another person. We all crave this connection, this sense of belonging. It's what makes us human, what makes our lives rich and fulfilling, for something special with another person. And you and me becomes the verbal key to unlocking that desire. It's a simple phrase, but it carries a lot of weight. It can open doors to new possibilities, to new adventures. It can create a bond that is strong and lasting. And you and me becomes the verbal key to unlocking that desire. So, the next time you're with someone special, remember the power of these words. Use them wisely and watch as they transform your relationship, creating a deeper, more meaningful connection. So why are these words so effective? It all comes down to the psychology behind them. When you say you and me, you're subtly shifting the focus from 2 individuals to a potential us. Imagine this, you're at a bar and a woman catches your eye. Instead of a generic, "Can I buy you a drink?" you say, "This place has a great vibe. I bet you and me could find an even better spot for a drink." See the difference? The first approach is polite but forgettable. The second immediately creates a sense of shared experience and possibility. It piques her curiosity and suggests a connection that goes beyond a casual encounter. You've planted a seed, a subtle suggestion that there's something special brewing between the 2 of you. Timing is everything, and that holds true for using you and me effectively. Just like in any relationship, the timing of when you introduce certain elements can make or break the connection. Think about it. You wouldn't propose on a first date, would you? Similarly, dropping you and me too early in a conversation can feel forced and unnatural. It's all about finding the right moment. The key is to use it once you've established a basic level of rapport. This could be after a few minutes of conversation, when you've shared a laugh, or when you've discovered a common interest. For example, let's say you're chatting with a woman at a party and you discover you both love indie music. You could say, "You know what, you and me need to swap playlists sometime. I have a feeling we have similar taste." Notice how it doesn't feel forced or premature. It flows naturally from the conversation and subtly suggests a future interaction. Let's delve deeper into why timing is so crucial. When you meet someone new, the initial moments are all about building a foundation. You're both trying to gauge each other's interests, sense of humor, and overall vibe. It's during this phase that you should be cautious about how you introduce you and me. If done too early, it can come off as presumptuous or overly familiar, which might put the other person off. On the flip side, waiting too long can also be a missed opportunity. If you wait until the conversation is winding down, you might miss the chance to create a memorable connection. The sweet spot is somewhere in the middle, where the conversation is flowing, and there's a mutual sense of comfort and interest. Think of it like dancing. You wouldn't start with the most complex moves right away. You begin with simple steps, getting a feel for the rhythm and your partner's style. Once you're in sync, you can introduce more intricate moves. The same goes for conversation. Start with general topics, gauge the other person's reactions, and then when the moment feels right, introduce you and me. Another important aspect to consider is the context of the conversation. Are you in a casual setting like a party or a more formal environment like a business meeting? The setting can influence how and when you introduce you and me. In a casual setting, people are generally more relaxed and open to personal connections. In a formal setting, it might be better to wait until you've established a professional rapport before introducing a more personal element. Let's go back to our party example. You've discovered a mutual love for indie music. Instead of jumping straight to you and me, you could start by discussing your favorite bands, recent concerts you've attended, or even upcoming music festivals. This not only keeps the conversation flowing, but also builds a stronger foundation for when you do introduce you and me. Once you've established this connection, you can then say, "You know what? You and me need to swap playlists sometime." By this point, it feels natural and even exciting. The other person is more likely to respond positively because there's already a sense of shared interest and rapport. Remember, the goal is to make the other person feel comfortable and valued. When you introduce you and me at the right moment, it shows that you're genuinely interested in building a connection. It also opens the door for future interactions, making it more likely that the conversation will continue beyond the initial meeting. So the next time you're in a conversation, pay attention to the timing. Look for those moments of shared laughter, mutual interests, and genuine connection. That's when you and me will have the most impact. It's not just about the words, it's about the feeling behind them. In conclusion, mastering the timing of you and me is an art. It requires patience, observation, and a genuine interest in the other person. But when done right, it can create a powerful connection that leaves a lasting impression. So go ahead, practice this subtle art, and watch your conversations transform. You and me, we can master this together. Let's make every conversation count. Notice how it doesn't feel forced or premature. It flows naturally from the conversation and subtly suggests a future interaction. It flows naturally from the conversation and subtly suggests a future interaction. It flows naturally from the conversation and subtly suggests a future interaction. That's the sweet spot for you and me. Section 4. The 4 pillars of you and me. You and me isn't just a phrase. It represents a powerful mindset shift that can transform your romantic interactions. When you say you and me, you're not just referring to 2 individuals. You're invoking a sense of partnership and unity. This simple phrase can change the dynamics of your relationship, making it more inclusive and collaborative. It's about creating a bond that is built on mutual understanding and shared experiences. It embodies 4 key pillars. First, interest. Interest is the foundation of any meaningful relationship. It's about showing genuine curiosity and care for the other person. When you express interest, you're telling the other person that they matter to you, that their thoughts, feelings, and experiences are important. This can be as simple as asking about their day, or as profound as supporting their dreams and aspirations. By saying you and me, you're demonstrating genuine interest in the other person and the possibility of sharing an experience. This interest goes beyond superficial attraction. It's about wanting to know the person deeply and valuing their uniqueness. Second, respect. Respect is crucial in any relationship. It's about acknowledging the other person's individuality and treating them with kindness and consideration. It implies a desire to collaborate and create something together, showing respect for their opinions and preferences. Respect means listening to each other, valuing each other's perspectives, and making decisions together. It's about creating a space where both partners feel heard and appreciated. Third, attraction. Attraction is more than just physical. It's about a deeper connection that draws you to the other person. It subtly hints at a deeper connection and the potential for something more than a casual encounter. Attraction involves emotional and intellectual connection as well. It's about finding joy in each other's company and feeling a sense of excitement and anticipation when you're together. And finally, initiative. You're not just passively hoping for something to happen. You're taking the lead and creating opportunities for connection. Initiative is about being proactive in your relationship. It's about planning dates, surprising your partner, and making efforts to keep the relationship vibrant and exciting. It shows that you're committed to making the relationship work and that you're willing to put in the effort to keep the connection strong. When you embody these 4 pillars, you and me becomes more than just words. It becomes a reflection of your confidence and your genuine desire to connect. It transforms your relationship into a partnership where both individuals feel valued and cherished. By focusing on interest, respect, attraction, and initiative, you create a strong foundation for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. These pillars help you navigate the complexities of love and build a connection that is both deep and enduring. Section 5. You and me in action, real-world examples. Let's bring this to life with some practical and relatable examples. Starting a conversation. This coffee shop looks amazing. You and me should grab a table by the window and people watch for a while. Asking her out, I'm heading to this art exhibit next weekend. You and me should check it out together. It'll be fun. In a relationship, honey, let's plan a getaway soon. Just you and me, no phones, no distractions, just us. Remember, these are just starting points. Get creative and tailor the phrase to your personality and the specific situation for the best results. Section 6. It's all in the delivery. Sincerity matters. Words are powerful, but their impact multiplies when delivered with sincerity. When you say, you and me, mean it. Make eye contact, smile genuinely. Let your voice convey your enthusiasm for the potential experience you're suggesting. The key is to come across as authentic and interested, not cheesy or rehearsed. Remember, it's not just about the words themselves, but the feeling you evoke when you say them. Make her feel special, make her feel seen, and make her feel like the possibility of you and me is something truly exciting. Section 7. A word of caution. Using the words authentically. With great power comes great responsibility. While you and me can be a powerful tool to enhance your romantic interactions, it's crucial to use it authentically. Don't throw it around casually or use it as a manipulative tactic. Women are perceptive. They can sense when you're being disingenuous. The magic of you and me lies in its ability to create a genuine sense of connection and shared excitement. Use it when you truly believe in the